Yeah, hey everybody. Everybody here love dogs? My mom has a dog. Yeah, she has a dog named Ozzy. Yeah, imagine that, right? Everybody loves a doggy, right? I love the doggy. Except when they're pissing on the goddamn furniture all the fucking time. Yeah. Yeah, what do you guys do? Huh? You yell, roll the paper? You think Sharon has that problem back at her house? What do you think those conversations are like, right? Ozzy! What the fuck? You know, imagine pissing all over the fucking furniture. Gotta put the plastic down again. What do you think he says?